welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Students, now let us start today's lecture of class 10 chapter polynomials. I have already told you the 2.0 series will be of different level in which I discuss the theory to its root level and will practice rigorous problems. In my last sessions, we have discussed about relationship between roots of the polynomials. Today we continue with this. Now let us recall what is the roots of the or zeros of the polynomials. Suppose let us take the quadratic polynomials. What do you mean by quadratic polynomials? Quadratic polynomials is the polynomial of degree 2. And you know what is degree 2? Degree 2 means the highest degree of the polynomial is 2 here. Ax square plus b C is a quadratic polynomial. Suppose alpha and beta are two zeros of this polynomial, then the relationship between two zeros says alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. This is the basic relation. This is the relations between the zeros of the polynomials. Alpha plus, very important, please students. Remember this alpha, and where alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomials. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Now let us discuss variety of problems based in these relations. Now please students note down the questions and try to do your own. Or I have already told you, only knowing theory is not sufficient for a math students. When you practice variety of questions, then the questions which will be asked in your exam paper will not be a challenge for you. Then here the question says that suppose fx is a polynomial, fx is a polynomial of ax square plus bx plus c, and here find the relationship between alpha square plus beta square. Find the value, find the, evaluate here, evaluate alpha square plus beta square and alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha. Now let us try solve the solutions. The alpha square plus beta square is can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Am I wrong? What is the alpha plus beta whole square? A plus b whole square says that a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta, because alpha plus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. This is the answers. Then as you know that alpha plus beta is minus b upon a whole square minus 2 into c upon a. This is b square upon a square minus 2c upon a. This is the value of alpha square plus beta squares. Now let us evaluate the alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha. Then keep this here and solve this. If I use the next page, then it will be difficult for you to recall the questions. Now let us evaluate the value of alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha. Then how can we find out its value? Then take the LCM of alpha. This will be alpha into beta. Then this is alpha q plus beta q. As you know, what is the identity of AQ plus BQ? AQ plus BQ is A plus B a plus b into alpha plus a q plus bq is a plus b into a square plus a square minus ab plus b square. Then here alpha q plus beta q is alpha plus beta into alpha square minus alpha beta into beta squares. Because you recall the aq plus bq is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Then here this is, I put the identity here and upon alpha beta. Then as you know, alpha plus beta is minus b upon a into, in place of alpha square plus beta squares, keep it here, alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta upon, in place of alpha beta we can write c upon a. Then this is minus b upon a into, you from this last question 1 you get alpha square plus beta square is b square upon a square minus 2c upon a. Then put the value of alpha square plus beta square this. Then you derive it. In place of alpha square beta squares I can write b square upon a square minus 2c upon a, and in place of minus alpha beta we can write minus c upon a upon c upon a. Then alpha into beta upon c upon a. Then write this, take a as the LCM here minus b upon a, and in the bracket a square is the LCM, this is b square minus 2ca minus ca upon c upon a. Then this is equal to minus b upon aq into b square minus 3ca and upon c upon a cancel, this is a square. Then finally we get the answer is minus b upon c will be in the denominator, then a square c into b square minus 3ca. Then this is the answer of the final answer of the questions when we have to derive the value of this. Okay. Now let us practice. Let us start another questions. I have already told you the 2.0 series will be of different level, in which I will go to the root of the theory and will practice rigorous of problems. Students, I promise you, if you follow my lectures regularly, there will be no need of any extra maths classes. I promise you to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries, which you may kindly drop in my comment box. Please students, practice your worksheets and ask me your doubt. I am ever ready to clear your all doubts. Then here another example says that, the polynomial is given here, fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here you have to derive the value of, then to evaluate, then here evaluate alpha fourth plus beta fourth and alpha fourth plus beta fourth, and the second you have to derive the alpha square plus beta square upon beta square plus upon alpha square. Then here you have to derive the value of alpha fourth plus beta fourth. Now let us practice this. Here let us solve. The solution says that alpha fourth plus beta fourth can be written as alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 into alpha square into beta square. Then I can split alpha fourth plus beta fourth in this way, because this, if I say alpha fourth is alpha square square and beta fourth is beta square square, this means this is in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus b. Then here write in, then alpha square plus beta square can be split into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta whole square minus 2 into alpha square into beta square is C alpha into beta is C upon A whole square. Alpha square beta square can be written as alpha beta whole square. Then here in place of alpha plus beta we can write minus B upon A whole square minus 2 into C upon A. This is whole square. Then this is minus 2 into C square upon A square. Then here this is b square upon a square minus 2c upon a whole square minus 2c square upon a square. Then here this is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ab. This is like this, and this is minus 2c square upon a square. Now continue from here. This is b fourth upon a fourth plus 4c square upon a square. Then 4c square upon a square. Here this also minus 4 b square c upon a cube minus 2 c square upon a square. Then from all these we can take a fourth is the LCM. Then this is b fourth plus 4c square a square minus 4b square c a minus 2c square a square. Then here 4c square minus 2c square, this is b fourth plus 2c square a square minus 4 a b square c upon a fourth. Then the value of alpha fourth plus beta fourth is this. Then here next in part 2 we have to derive the value of this. This is the value of alpha fourth plus beta fourth. Then students keep it here and continue for 2. Solve for 2. If I use the next page, then which will be difficult for you to recall the value of alpha fourth plus beta fourth. That's why I have to keep it here. And I have to derive the value of the part 2. The part 2 says that find the value of, derive the value of alpha square upon beta square plus beta square upon alpha square. Then here alpha square beta square is the LCM, and the numerator will be alpha fourth plus beta fourth. Then in place of alpha fourth plus beta fourth, I can put this value. Then here when we put the alpha fourth plus beta fourth is b fourth minus b fourth plus 1 minute. This is b fourth plus 2c square a square minus, look at 1 minute, this is minus plus 2c square a square minus 4b square ca upon a fourth. Then in place of alpha fourth plus beta fourth, I can write this b fourth plus 2c square a square minus 4b a b square c and the denominator is a fourth, and in place of alpha square beta square we can write this is alpha beta whole square. Then we can write this as 1 upon, in place of alpha beta square, this means c upon a whole square. Then this is b fourth plus 2c square a square minus 4ab square c upon a fourth into a square upon c square, a square a fourth cancel. Then finally we get the answer as this is b fourth plus 2c square a square minus 4ab square c upon a square b square. Then this is the value of the this, and for a fourth b fourth this is the value. Okay, then students, please do your worksheets and ask me your doubt. I am ever ready to clear your all doubts. When you practice variety of questions, then the questions which will be asked in your exam paper will not be a challenge. Now let us practice another types of questions. Here in these questions, the polynomial is given as fx is here. There is a variable, there is a number. We don't know the value of k. We have to find out the value of k. Find the value of k. What is given here? Find the value of k, where is alpha minus beta is given here 1. Here we have to derive the value of k. Let us solve. Then as you know that fx is equal to x square minus 5x, then here the question is given fx is equal to x square minus 5x plus k. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to k. Then here alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, which will be minus of minus 5 means plus 5 upon 1 is 5, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, which is k upon 1 is equal to k. Here alpha into beta is k and alpha plus beta is 5. And another thing is given here, data is given, alpha minus beta is 1 given. Here we have to find out the value of k. Now let us find out. Then as you know that alpha plus beta is given, then alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Am I right? A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then alpha minus beta whole square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay. Then as we know that this is 1. Then here in place of alpha plus beta we can write this is 5 square minus 4 into k. This means 4k is equal to 25 minus 1, which is equal to 24. Then k equal to 24 upon 4 is equal to 6. Now by solving this we can get the value of 6. This is the value of k. Then the answer is here, k is equal to 6. This is the answer of the given questions. Then students, you please practice your questions. When I write the questions, please pause the video and try to solve your own. If any problem persists, then you start the video and show the solutions. See the solution. Suppose here fx is given here kx square plus 4x plus 4, and another thing is condition is given alpha square plus beta square is given here 24, and find the value of k. Find the value of k. Here alpha square plus beta square is 24 given, and fx is kx square plus 4x plus 4. Then here we have to find out the value of k. Let us solve this. Here alpha square plus beta square is given. Here the polynomial is fx is equal to kx square plus 4x plus 4. Then a is equal to k, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 4. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, which is minus 4 upon k, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, which is 4 upon k, and here the alpha square plus beta square is given. Then alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into alpha beta. Then in place of alpha plus beta I can write minus 4 upon k whole square, and alpha square plus beta square is given here 24, plus 2 into, in place of alpha beta we can write 4 upon k. Then this is 16 upon k square, which is 24 plus 8 upon k. Then here in the LHS is 16 upon k square. Then in the RHS take k as the LCM, which is 24k plus 8. K cancels. This is, then here 16 is equal to 24k square plus 8k. Then this is 24k square. Then students, please keep it here and solve the, if I use the next page, this will be difficult for you to remember this. Then hence students, I keep it here and now solve the quadrilateral. Now let us solve the quadrilateral from here. Here the question is given here. Now look at here. This quadrilateral is 24k square plus 8k minus 16 is equal to 0. Here we have to find out the value of k. Then if we take 8 common, this will be 3k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. Then by using middle factor factorizations, now let us start from here. Now let us start from here. Look at there, the sign. This is, I split the middle part in this way, 3k minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. If we multiply 3k minus 2k, we get, this is minus 6k square. This is 3k square into minus 2, 6k square. Then taking 3k common, this is k plus 1 minus 2 common, this is k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then this is k plus 1 into 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. Then k is equal to minus 1 and another is 2 upon 3. Then here by solving this we come to the conclusion that the value of k is minus 1. There are two values of k. One is minus 1, another is 2 upon 3. Okay. Then next questions. I have already told you, when you practice variety of questions, then the questions which will be asked in your exam paper will not be a challenge. Then students, you know the theory. When I write the questions, please write down the questions in your notebook and close the video or pause the video. Try to solve your own. If any problem persists, then start the video and see the solutions. Otherwise, you try one to solve your questions. Here the questions is given, the polynomial is given here, fx, the polynomial is given here, fx is 2x square, fx is 2x square plus 5x plus k. This is the polynomial fx is given here, and the another relations is given here, alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is given here 21 upon 4, and find the value of the k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k here. Let us solve this. Now let us solve. Here fx is given as 2x square plus 5x plus k. This means a is 2, b equal to 5 and c equal to k here. Then here, now let us find the value of k. Here the conditions is given, alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21 upon 4. Then this can be written as alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta. In case of alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta, can be split it into 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta. Am I wrong? No. Then this is a square plus b square plus 2ab form. Then this can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta, which is equal to 21 upon 4. Then in place of alpha plus beta, then here a is 2, b is 5, c is k. Then here alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, which is minus 5 upon 2, and alpha into beta is c upon a, which is k by 2. Then here in place of alpha plus beta, I can write minus 5 upon 2. This is minus 5 upon 2 whole square. In place of alpha into beta, we can write this is k upon 2, which is 21 upon 4. Then this imply, which is keep it here. Then draw the line, because it will be easier. Otherwise, all will be messed up. Okay. Then minus 5 by 2 whole square is 25 upon 4 minus k upon 2 is equal to 21 upon 4. Then taking the 4 as the LCM, this is 25 minus 2k is equal to 21 upon 4. Then 4 cancels. Then this is 25 minus 21 is equal to 2k. Then k is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Then by solving this, we come to the conclusion that the value of k. Then by solving this, we find the value of k is 2. This is the answer of the questions. Okay. Look at here. Here each and every question is solved in different way. In my last questions, you have to find out the value of, here find out the value of k, where the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta you can find the polynomial is given, and in these questions alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta given, and you have to find out the value of k. Each and every questions is different. That's why students, I say, please do your worksheets and practice variety of questions. You may solve questions from any book and ask me your doubt. I am ever ready to clear your all doubts. Here the question says that the polynomial is given fx is equal to x square minus 8x plus k. The polynomial is given here, and the sum of the squares of the 0 is 40. This means alpha square plus beta square is given here 40. Then here find the value of k. Find the value of k. Now let us solve this. Here the polynomial is fx is x square minus 8x plus k. Here a is 1 and b is minus 8 and c is k. Then alpha plus beta says that this is minus b upon a. This means minus of minus 8 upon 1 means 8. Alpha into beta is c upon a. This means k upon 1 means k. Then here alpha square plus beta square is given. Then now let us solve this. If I write alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into alpha beta. Then this is equal to alpha plus beta is 8. 8 square is equal to alpha square plus beta square is given 40 plus 2 into alpha into beta means k. Then this is 2k is equal to 64 minus 40. This means 2k is equal to 24. Then k is equal to 24 upon 2, which is 12. 12 is the answer. Then here very easily we get the value of k as 12. Here the value of k is equal to 12 is the answer of the given questions. Now practice, now solve another types of questions. Here another question says that, now let us solve some more examples. Here the question says that, if alpha beta are zeros of this polynomial, here the polynomial is given fx is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 1, and find the value, find a quadratic polynomial of 0 are alpha square upon beta and beta square upon alpha. Here the polynomial is given here. You have to, here the question is some twist here. Here you have to find a polynomial. Find a polynomial whose zeros are alpha square upon beta and beta square upon alpha, where alpha and beta are the zeros of this given polynomial, are the zeros of the given polynomial. Then here you have to find the polynomial whose zeros are here. Okay. Then look at here. Here let us solve. The fx is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Now when you solve, let us find the value of alpha and beta here. Then you have to find out the 0 means this is equal to 0. Then here 3x square, use the middle factor factorization, split minus 4x into minus 3x minus x which is equal to 0. Then take 3x common, this is x minus 1. Then here take minus 1 common, this is x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then this is x minus 1 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then here zeros are x equal to 1 and another is 1 upon 3. Then by solving this you get alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 1 upon 3. Then here you have to find out the polynomial whose zeros are alpha square upon beta and beta square upon alpha. Now let us solve this. Here the question is given here. Now find the alpha. Here this is the zeros of this polynomial. Then now keep it here. They find the, let S be the sum of two zeros and P be the product of two zeros of this given polynomial. Let S be the sum of two zeros, sum of two zeros of the polynomial, and P be the look at here, and P be the product of the polynomial, product of the zeros Okay. Now let us solve this. Then here S be the sum of two zeros. Here alpha and beta is given and you have to find the zeros are alpha square upon beta and beta square upon alpha. Then S is equal to alpha plus beta, means sum of two zeros. Alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha, because these two are 0 of this given polynomials, which is equal to alpha into beta and alpha q plus beta q. Then this is AQ plus BQ. Then AQ plus BQ can be written as A plus B whole q minus 3 into alpha into beta into alpha plus beta. Recall the identities. Then upon alpha and beta. Here alpha plus beta in place of alpha and beta, alpha plus beta is equal to sum of 1 plus 1 upon 3. This is 4 upon 3 whole square minus 3 into alpha into beta is 1 upon 3 into alpha plus beta is 4 upon 3 upon alpha into beta is 1 upon 3. Here 3 cancels. This is 16. This is q. A plus b whole q. This is q. Then we get this is 16 3 4 just 64. 4q 64 upon 27 minus 4 upon 3. And upon 1 upon 3. Then by solving this we get S alpha plus beta is equal to 28 upon 9 and P is equal to alpha into beta, means alpha square upon beta into beta square upon alpha. Alpha cancels, beta cancels. This is alpha into beta, which is equal to 1 upon 3, which is equal to here 1 upon 3. And as we know that S is given and P is given, then the polynomial fx, then the new polynomial, let the polynomial be gx. The polynomial gx is equal to k into x square minus sx plus p, where s is sum of two zeros and p is product of two zeros. Then this is k into x square, then in place of s minus s into x minus s into x, in place of s we can write this is 28 upon 9x plus 1 upon 3. Then by solving this we get gx, finally we get gx is equal to k into x square minus 28 upon 9x plus 1 upon 3. This is the answer of the given questions. This is the polynomial which we have to derive, whose zeros are alpha square upon beta into beta square upon alpha. Then students, thank you students, today this much. Please continue with my classes. I promise you to complete your syllabus and would solve your all queries. Thank you students, today this much. In my next sessions we will continue with this. Thank you.